How to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account through the Instagram app on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Following this, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center screen. Once done, tap on your Instagram account from the list. From here, tap the Manage button next to your account. At this stage, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to see both options. After this, choose either Deactivate account to temporarily hide your profile or Delete account to permanently remove it. Once completed, follow the on-screen prompts and enter your password to confirm your choice. Finally, tap Continue to finish the process. Keep in mind that deactivating your account is reversible, and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone after 30 days. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you deactivate or delete your account, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.